Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to do letter B. And B says, B. Let's have a story on it. This is Baloo. It's Baloo's birthday. Baloo. Birthday. Yes, Baloo, the baby bear, lives on the beach and it is his birthday today. And Boomba, the baboon, are here with Bubbly, the butterfly. They both come in a black boat. Bubbly and Boomba, they are wearing brown caps. Which caps? Brown caps. And Baloo is wearing the blue shirt. They are playing with bells and balloons. Baloo is having a nice day. Now let's recall what we have seen. This is baby bear. This is butterfly. And this is a picture of baboon. Black boat. What is the color of the boat? Black. And this is blue shirt. This is brown cap. And here is the picture of a bell. And this is a picture of balloon. Students, I hope you have enjoyed the story, right? So, after listening the story, let's come to the book reading part. Okay, tell me, which letter is this? This is letter B. Which letter? B. This is capital B. And this is cursive B. Okay. And what is the sound of B? B says B. B says B. Okay. Now come to the pictures. Which picture is this? It is a bird. What is it? Bird. And bird starts with which sound? When we are saying bird, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is B. And B is the sound of which letter? B. B, bird. Okay, now tell me, which picture is this? Ball. Which picture? Ball. And ball starts with which sound? All ball. The first sound that is coming from our mouth is B. And B is the sound of letter B. B, ball. And now look at here. What is it? He's a boy. And what is this? Boy. And what he is doing? He is playing with bat and ball. Yes. So when we are saying boy, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is B. And B is the sound of letter B. B, boy. And what is in his hand? Bat. B at bat. Which sound is coming? B. Which sound? B. And B is the sound of which letter? B. B, bat. And look, who is this? It's a bee. What is it? Bee, yellow bee. Right? And when we are saying bee, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is B. And B is the sound of which letter? B. And now look, what is it? Oh, it's so cute. It's a baby. What is it? Baby. And when we are saying baby, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is B. And B is the sound of letter B. B, baby. And now look here. Which picture is this? It's a butterfly. What is it? Butterfly. B, butterfly. Okay, now what is it? It is a bench. What is it? Bench. And when we are saying bench, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is B. And B is the sound of letter B. Okay, now let's see what is kept on the bench. What is this of red color? Oh, it's a book. Yes, it's a book. So when we are saying book, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is B. And B is the sound of letter B. B, book. And what is here? Banana. Wow, yummy, yummy banana. And when we are saying banana, the sound that is coming is, which sound is coming first? Yes, B. And B is the sound of which letter? B. B, banana. And what is kept here of blue color? It's looking like a box. What is it? Box. And box starts with which sound? B. And B is the sound of which letter? B. B, box. And something is here. Oh, blue color, blue balloon. Look, what is the color of the balloon? Blue. And blue starts with which sound? B. And B is the sound of which letter? B. B, blue. And what is it? Balloon. And balloon starts with which sound? B. And B is the sound of letter B. B, balloon. Okay, now come to the next step, in which we are going to learn how to make letter B. What we will learn here? We will learn to make letter B. First of all, we are going to trace it. How to make standing line like this. Then second step is make a curve like this. Come back and make one more curve like this. This is letter B. Now we will trace it here. Standing line, start from the red line, okay? We have to start from the red line. Make standing line till blue line. Stop here. Now make a curve. Curve. Done. Now go back and make one more curve till blue line. This is done. Now let me show you how to make with B without dots. First, as I have told you that we are to make standing line. So we are going to make standing line here. Standing line. And next step is to make a curve like this. Okay. So we will make curve like this. Okay. Now third step was go back and make one more curve. So we are doing the same thing here. We will also do go back and make one more curve like this. Letter B. Which letter is this? Letter B. I hope you have understood the concept of reading the pictures of letter B and how to write letter B. And you are to follow all my instructions that I have told. So that's all from my side today. Bye bye.